It's time to move on to the next substantial upgrade as Samsung has finished releasing all of its high-end phones for this year. The Galaxy S24 series is anticipated to launch in February 2024, and some of its characteristics have already been rumored. In the most recent rumors surrounding the most technologically sophisticated model, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, learn about potential screen and camera enhancements. Ice Universe, a tipster, claims that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will include a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3 optical zoom. Due to its larger size and greater resolution, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is anticipated to provide exceptional picture quality even at the non-native zoom level of 5x. It will allegedly employ a larger camera sensor than the 10-megapixel resolution used in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The telephoto camera on the Galaxy S24 Ultra may be able to capture 8K 30fps films, which is not achievable with any of Samsung's existing phones. This new sensor may potentially make this possible. According to the tipster, Samsung will extensively promote the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera's increased zoom quality. When compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra and other Samsung flagships, the new camera sensor may also provide images with higher picture quality at 3x zoom in low-light situations. It remains to be seen if the zoom camera will be added to the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, although it seems doubtful that Samsung would upgrade the zoom camera on all 3 Galaxy S24 series phones at once. Additionally, it has been revealed that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have an updated display. Although the tipster did not specify the specific upgrade, we anticipate that it will be the new M13 OLED screen with increased peak brightness. While competing smartphones from other companies attain peak brightnesses of over 2000 nits, the Galaxy S23 Ultra only reaches a maximum brightness of 1750 nits. Samsung obviously needs to upgrade in this area. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is anticipated to include a titanium body, a brighter OLED display, and a quicker Exynos 2400 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 engine. The same 10-megapixel telephoto camera sensor will apparently be used for 10x optical zoom, along with a 200-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel selfie camera. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.